How to set an extra help appointment with me. You first visit the course homepage and then click View Course Calendar. There is a shortcut. You can go to the overall calendar for all your classes here too. Going to the course calendar through the course page lets you view just this one course. Let me advance to a month that actually has some items in it. And you can see these are when your assignments are due or when your assessments happen. To make the extra help appointment, I want you to click Find Appointment. Choose the course. And then now I see highlighted some appointment options. Grayed out are all the things that were there previously. So let's say I'd like to attend extra help on the 3rd. I'll click on this and I'll hit reserve. Hi, HG. You can write a comment if you like, or maybe ask your question here. Comment is optional. Choose reserve. And that's it. When I pull up this event on my side, I can see who has reserved